In the vast desert, the sun sets, and the warmth fades. "Why is it so cold?" whispers the wind to the sand. "Because," replies the sand, "the heat escapes into the sky, leaving us to shiver. The stars twinkle, offering a gentle glow. We bring light, but not warmth," they say. A lone cactus stands tall, its needles glistening with frost. "Even in the cold we survive," it murmurs. The desert creatures huddle together, sharing warmth. "Together we endure," they chirp. As dawn breaks, the sun returns, promising warmth once more. "Every night ends," it assures.